Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Faraz Shaheen, your English teacher. Today, I will explain you my second assignment, unit number 4. Let's start question answers. Month of August, assignment number 2, unit number 4, the golden crab. Students, make a title page, unit number 4, the golden crab. I made title page for you. It's look nice or not? Give it to me your views, okay, on your WhatsApp number. Students, let's start words and meaning. Unit number 4, the golden crab. Underline the lesson heading and make a two columns, words and meaning. Now you should underline and start with your word with small letters. Number 1, fond, liking or having affection for someone. Number 2, notion, idea. Number 3, prudent, wise. Number 4, vexed, annoyed. Number 5, enchantment, the state of being under a magic spell. Number 6, seized, stopped. Number 7, consent, permission for something to happen. Here the words meaning finished. Now you should write words meaning very neatly and carefully and learn 5 times, okay? Make a heading exercise A, questions and answers. Question number 1. Why did the fisherman become the fond of the crab? The fisherman became fond of the crab because every time he served the golden crab food, it left gold coins on the plate after it had finished eating. Now, students, leave the question number 2 and you should start question number 3. Why do you think the king set up these challenges for the crab? Were the challenges fair in your opinion? I think the king set up these challenges because he wanted the prince to reveal himself through the challenges. These challenges were fair because if the crab was an enchanted prince, he could perform these easily. Now, question number 4. What would have happened had princess not revealed the crab's identity? If the princess had not revealed the identity of the crab, they might have continued for life peacefully. However, the king would want the princess to marry a human prince. He would have grown more curious about the crab and create more challenges for him. Now leave the question number 5 and switch the question number 6. Had you been in the crab's place, would you have forgiven the princess and her mother after that they did you yourself? Why or why not? Yes, I would have forgiven the princess and her mother because of my love for the princess. The princess had made the mistake by telling the queen about my true identity and had not mean to put me through the trouble. The princess and queen had been through a lot of pain and the things had turned out well in the end. Make a heading, reference to contents, exercise B. Read these lines from the story and then answer the questions. Number 1. They suspect some secret, but though they spied, they could not discover it. Number A. Who are they? They answer is they refers to Prince's royal family. Number B. You should write with the black pen. Number B. What is the secret that they cannot discover? The answer is the secret that they fail to discover is that the golden crab is actually a prince. Number C. What do you think about their spying? It is right or wrong? The answer is their spying on the princess is wrong. Now, question number 2 does not even that the prince please you, you fool. A. What is speaking to whom and when? The answer is the queen asked this her daughter, the princess, when the handsome prince throws her a golden apple during the second tournament. Number B. You should write number B. Why is the speaker angry? The speaker is angry because she is desperate for her daughter to have a real prince for a handsome and not a crab. Write the answer, question C. What does the speaker discover and do after this? The answer is the speaker discovered the prince who threw the apple was the golden crab, and she throws the crab's golden shell into the fire. Now switch the exercise C. Make a heading, words and meaning. Write number 1. Explain the idioms in bold and discuss them first. A. She is really come out her shell since she joined the thread club. Answer is come out of her shell was more socially interactive and less shy. Number B. Write the number B. He moved to the city because he wanted to spread his wings. The answer is spread his wings, realize his ambitions in life. Now write the C. Whenever we try to surprise my mom, my sister always lets the cat out of the bag. The answer is let the cat out of the bag revolves the something that is supposed to be a secret. Write the number D. I love athletes, but I am a fish out of water when it's come to team sports. A fish out of water, out of the place in the certain environment or around the certain people. Now here the finish exercise C, the unit, and now students you do your work very carefully in your copy, English A, and underline each and every exercise that are given by me. And students, here I gave you exercise B and C's only answer. You should see question from the book and then after you write it. Thank you very much listening me, bear me, and Allah Hafiz, and do your work very carefully. Allah Hafiz, I miss you, I love you a lot. Okay students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome Metropolitan Foundation e-learning YouTube channel. I am Faraz Shaheen. I am going to teach you today the importance of education, and after that essay, the day everything went wrong. Month of September, the day everything went wrong, page number 167. Okay students, the number of COVID-19 patient is increasing day by day, and hence the lockdown has been extended for a short period of time. So thumbs up if you like my videos and subscribe Metropolitan Foundation YouTube channel. Let's start. the importance of education. I am going to teach you education's importance. My dear students, today I would like to share my thoughts on importance of education. Education is man's best friend. It is a tool which helps to simplify lots of takes in our life, and educated person is respected everywhere. Today education is required in all field of life. It is important to be well educated everyone. Aims of education to become a doctor. Everyone aims to become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, soldier, or hold any such a respectable position. So good education is foundation of a better future. It's help to develop overall personality of a person. It's help to improve a status of mind, body and spirit. Education helps us to take a right decision. It is a key of success in personal and professional life. It makes us smart enough to learn how to live a happy life and handle all the good and bad situations. Nowadays, getting good education has become easier because of e-learning. We can gain a lots of knowledge through the articles and videos posted on the internet. So let's start our e-learning Metropolitan Foundation YouTube channel. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So let's start change the world. Essay the day everything went wrong. Let's start. This was a day I am not likely to forget for a long time. It started when my alarm failed to go off and I woke up really late. I had exactly 15 minutes to get ready for school. In my hurry, I failed to check the water temperature and ended up standing under a spray of the boiling water. Then, while trying to finish breakfast in a minute and a half, I knocked the juice off the table. Mom has this thing about the cleaning up your own mess, so I had to be clean everything before I could dash out of the house. There is a ditch with dirty water near the bus stop, and so it had to happen today that I tripped and fell in it. I was wet with the mud all over my scratch white shirt, so I knew what to expect at school. But that was later right in front of my eyes. I saw the school bus rounding the corner and leaving without me. I tried running for a bit, screaming, but I saw some of the children in the windows making face at me. Then I ran back home to ask Dad to drop me to school in his car. In return, I got a good scolding, first for having renewed the uniform and then for being lazy and slow. Anyhow, I managed to slip through the school gates before they were shut. Just a warning bell rang. I turned at the corner near the wall and ran straight into Mr. Ghani, who let out a little shriek and threw the two books and register he was carrying up in the air. The entire school gathered for the assembly, grew quiet and looked in our direction. I offered a confused apology and quickly helped him with his books. Later, upon entering the classroom, I got the shock of my life. I saw my classmates with their rest book out. Our teacher had announced a surprise test in geography. I had been studying hard for the science test scheduled for the week after. The geography had been the last thing on my mind. For the nearly 2 weeks, I knew I would fail. Spending half the lunch hour in the hot sun minding the children was the real misery. I longed for a cool drink in the cafeteria with my friends, but I didn't dare do it because something told me that I would invite more trouble that way. Thankfully, the period after lunch was free, so I decided to sneak a quick nap. I think it took me about the 30 seconds to fall asleep with my head cradle on my forearms fold on the decks, and I think it must have been another couple of minutes before I woke up with a sharp knock on my shoulder. I woke up with the determination that however had dared spoil my rest was in for serious trouble. I looked up and looked straight into the face of the Mr. Kale. She was sent a substitute, and she is child's roast worst nightmare. I spent the rest of time standing in the corner. Finally, school was over. I dragged my feet towards the bus, exhausted after the day ordeal. I found just about enough space to somehow stand in the packed bus because one of the two buses that piled on the same routine had broken down, and all the children had been stuffed into this one. It took me twice as much time to reach home. I don't think I have overslept ever again after that day, not even on Sundays. Here I finished the essay. Students, I first explained to you the importance of the education. Now essay are the factual can be factual be divided into three main parts. Introduction usually consists of a single paragraph, and the second, the body, is its main part of the essay, and the third one, conclusion, may consist of one or more than one paragraph and deal with the summary of the feature of the essay. An essay must conclude logically. Don't make the mistake for repeating the introduction in the conclusion. So essay that are creative or imaginative, the both are right, also have the three divisions of the beginning, middle and the end. However, in this case, the writer's main aim is to make the composition as interesting and gripping as possible. Okay student, interesting composition It's very necessary. Okay student, now you learn how to write essay. So student, first of all you read the essay. The essay is the day everything went wrong. You know very well this essay, and after that you read 3 times, and then after you should write in rough copy first of all, and then after you should copy in your grammar book. If you want to skip some lines, to you do it. Okay student, I love you, I miss you. We will meet inshallah in school very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Subscribe our YouTube e-learning Metropolitan Foundation e-learning YouTube channel. Subscribe and thumbs up and write it your views. Okay, this is very necessary. I need your backup. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz.